When pomegranates crack like this, the main reason is stress. Dry soil for many days, then sudden heavy watering or strong heat. So first, we check the soil around the tree. The solution starts with calm, regular watering. Instead of flooding a dry tree all at once, we give it steady, gentle water around the root zone. After watering, we protect the moisture with mulch. A blanket of dry leaves or straw keeps the soil cool and stops it from drying too fast. Next, we feed the tree. Once a year, good compost or well-rotted manure gives the root strength for healthy fruits. After the small fruits have set, a light dose of high potash fertilizer helps the skin stay strong and the seeds fill properly. Damaged fruits never recover. If we leave them on the tree, they spread disease and attract insects, so we remove them early. These cracked fruits must be taken away from the tree, buried or composted safely, not left on the ground. To protect the tree from insects and light fungus, we can use a simple neem oil spray with a little soap and plenty of water. We spray lightly in the cool hours, covering both sides of the leaves and around the young fruits, without drenching the tree. In the resting season, light pruning removes dead and crowded branches. This opens the tree, lets air and light in, and reduces disease. When many fruits grow on one thin branch, we thin them. Fewer fruits mean more strength for each one, less cracking, and better size. For our best fruits, we can give extra protection by covering them with paper or mesh bags against sun, insects, and birds. With steady care like this, the next season looks very different. The same tree now carries firm, uncracked pomegranates ready to ripen and fill with sweet red seeds.